Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to quickly show you how I make my YouTube thumbnail. The app we're going to be needing for this is Canva. So click on it to open and it's loading. If you don't have Canva, quickly go to your Apple Store or Google Play Store and download it. So once you open your Canva, you quickly go to this space for search and click on it. Type in YouTube thumbnail. It comes up, you click on it, and this blank one is if you want to start from the beginning and make your own design. But me, I don't have that energy, so I go straight to what is already made, pick one and edit to whatever I like. Yeah, so I'm just quickly going to pick one. I think I like this. I'm going to pick this and work with it. You can as well go down here. If you click on this and you like other things here, you can pick anyone you want, but I'm going to go with this and edit it. Once it is open, you click on it, click on the body, and there's replace down here. Click on replace and upload an image or video. Assuming you've not uploaded the image you want to use, you might just quickly click on upload an image or video. It takes you to your gallery and select whatever picture or video that you want to use and make your thumbnail. But I have the picture I want to use, so I'm just going to go back and pick one picture. I'm going to pick this and work with it. So it's going to open like this. The picture has already replaced the background. So this everything you see here is movable, everything except the background, which is this big picture. You can move it to fit into one side, but other things you can move them. You can move all these images anywhere you want them to be, and you can as well reduce the size. So I'm going to reduce this, it's too big. You can also shift the right up to wherever you want. You can change the color. Just click on this place. These are different colors. You can choose anyone you want, whichever color you like. Play around. You can also come to document colors and click on it. This is where you can navigate, and maybe the suitable color you want is not showing. This is where you can click and get the perfect color for what you want. Yes, just play around and pick whatever color suits you. You can make a copy. You can click on this plus sign and you duplicate this. So this is 2 now. I'm also going to carry 1 and put here and reduce the size so it will be small. And I'm also going to change the color to, yeah, something like this. I think this is fine. So you can do that to all of them. You can duplicate everything here, and if you feel like it is too much, you don't need so much of it, you just delete it. Whatever it is you want to delete, just click it, gets highlighted, and you delete it. So to put in your text, to write whatever you want, I'm just going to click on this and begin to type what I want. How to slay. Okay, so this is it. This is how it comes. I come here. This is where you can choose whichever font you want. These are different fonts. These ones that look like they have crown are for paid people that are in paid membership, not subscribed to Canva. So this is what I can only use, the ones that don't have this crown sign on them. So for now I'm okay. I've not paid, and this is doing it for me. Really, this is doing it for me. Canva is just so nice. There are a whole lot you can do with Canva, a whole lot. So once you are satisfied with this or the font you've selected, this is where you can increase your font size. You increase it or you reduce it to whatever size you want. This is where you do it. You can as well use this place, use these dots here to increase or reduce or move it around to wherever you want. Yes, so this size is okay for me, so I'm just going to place it anywhere I want. And you come down here. This is where you can select font color. You can, the same place you selected color for every other thing, you can just choose, make this whatever color you want, whatever color works for you, pick it. It's very easy to do. I think I like this color. Although, let me work with this. I like this color. Although if you're making a thumbnail, it's not going to be so bright, so you might want to choose something that will show for you. But for the sake of this lesson, I'm just going to use this. I like it. And if you want to make it bold, you just click on bold and it becomes bold. And you can change the effect. You can put effects in it. Just click anyone you want. It adds effects for you. These are the different effects. There's anyone that works for you. So, if you want to add more of the effect, you just click on it and it adds. You can reduce, you can add, just however you want the effect to appear. You want it by the side, you want it by the other side, you just do your thing. Just play around this thing. It's really very easy. Just play around it. And next, you can change the position to top, left, middle. So like whichever way you want it, wherever you want it to be, you can, this is where you can change it. You want it backward, however it is you want it. So you just go ahead and do that. I don't want any of this, I just want it down, so I'm just going to leave it down. And here is where you can choose how transparent you want this to be. If you want it to be very bright and show, this is how you do it. If you want it to be very dim, you dim it. If you don't want it to show at all, fine. And you can also do that to the background picture. Just click here and it goes out, comes back, goes out, comes back. So you just play with it and till you get whatever you want. This thing that looks like key is where you can lock it. If I want to do something, I don't want this thing to shift, I just lock it. So you just lock it. Once it is locked, nothing moves again in it unless you click on it and then begin to move it around. But so you just click on the thing you want to lock and lock it. This one is locked, this one is locked, I can't move it. This is locked, I can't move it. But this one is also locked, this is not locked, so I can move it around. So you just lock whatever it is you don't want to move. Let's assume you made this and you don't want it to shift from this place. Just lock it. It stays like this till whenever you are done or whenever you want to unlock it. So to unlock it, just click here, click and unlock everything. You can flip this anyhow you want. You see, you can flip it upside down, however it is you want it to be, just flip. You can as well crop it. You can crop it up down, whichever way you want. I'm not going to crop it, I like it the way it is. I'm just going to continue what I'm doing. You can animate it, you see. Just play around, guys, play around at these things. They will just, I don't want to animate it, I'm not going to click on none. I don't want to animate. And if you want to add more text, if you want to add more things to more write up to your this thing, this plus button shows. Click on the plus button, it shows you a whole lot of things. You can decide to add more picture, click on upload. To add an already existing photo, click on photos. To add a video, click on video. Text, the same thing. Just to snap something, click on camera roll. To add a background to what you are doing, just click on background. Whatever it is you want to do, just play around. So I'm just going to click on text and add a heading or add a subheading, whichever one you click. Just click on add a heading. It gives me this. I click inside and write the and increase the font. You increase the font by holding this white button at the edge. So I increase inside fonts whatever I want, and the same process you can choose to increase, change font, do whatever you want here. In case you do not want to go through the process of coming to click on the plus sign, just click on this one you've already written, this how to slay, and click on this plus sign here to duplicate it. So you just come and drag it here wherever you want to put it and click inside. delete the text in the duplicate and write whatever you want. You see, you can change the font color, you can do whatever it is you want to do. So if you don't want this these effects that is showing, just come to effects and none, so it has gone. So it's not out there. So this is it basically. This is just how to do it. I'm going to delete all this because I don't need them. I've gotten the only thing that I need, which is this how to slay. So in case you change your mind on the color, you can still come and change it to whatever suits you. So I think this is fine for me. Yeah, considering that I was saying slay. I'm going to reduce this a bit. It's too big. And when you are done, just click on this place, this up sign, click on it and click on save as image so that it saves it as an image on your phone. It is saved. If you want to continue editing, you continue editing. If you don't want to, just go to your gallery. This is my gallery. Come to my gallery and here it is. Very beautiful. So this is it, and it is ready for use whenever you are ready. So thank you for following. Thank you for watching. Do want to check my other videos and please subscribe.